So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my non-dominant hand. Let me think. Yes, this one. I'm going to do this hand on camera for you guys. It was a struggle, but I did it for you guys. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts. I'll put them here in the screen so you can go ahead and check them out, and let's dive right into it. Oh, and by the way, yes, I have a cool background. This is my academy. I'm giving classes here, nail classes. So I have my neon logo in the back. I hope you guys love it. I will make a video where I show you guys around, but not in this one. So yeah. So you guys, my nails are a mess, so I really needed to fix them. As you can see, one of my nails are black. That's why I've painted my hair black, and it leaked through the hand cloth. So yeah, you guys, I just went in and I pushed back my cuticles gently. And you guys, I really have to say, don't mind where I cut my fingers here in the video. Always when I do my non-dominant hand, I always cut myself at the cuticle area. Just look at how I'm going. You guys, it is a struggle to do my own nails. I always struggle. As you can see, I'm struggling. So yeah, that's the case. I'm just trying to get the old skin at the cuticle area off. But you see how I just damaged my natural nail. I'm filing just too much. Normally I just will go over it like 1 or 2 times just to get the old excess dead skin from the nail plate. But you guys can see how I'm struggling. I'm also not always in camera, but yeah, I'm trying to do my best to film this for you guys because I haven't filmed in a long time. I know, you guys, I've been so busy working on my website, working on my products, working on giving classes, you guys. So thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate it once again. But when I'm coming with my web shop, you guys will be, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. I just love how it's going and how it's going to be. So I really hope you guys love it too when it's online. Normally I will use my cuticle scissors to get the old skin off at the cuticle area, but I can't use my cuticle scissors with my non-dominant hand. So that's why I'm using these cuticle nippers, and I always cut myself as I've already told you guys. That's just a problem with me when I'm doing my own non-dominant hand, and especially my middle finger, because my um, on my right hand, I use my right hand a lot. My right hand, sorry, my right hand a lot to file, and my e-file rests on my middle finger. So at this part where I'm getting the cuticle off, the old skin, I mean, I always have a lot of dead skin. So that's why I always like to just go in and dive in to cut, and I always end up cutting too much. So normally when I'm doing my clients, I don't have any cuts or anything, but on myself it's just a mess. And now I'm using my buffing bit. I don't really know how. I think it's a buffing bit, buffer bit, to get just the old skin off. So the little pieces on my skin, to get those off to make it soft. So that's what I'm doing on my hand. So now I'm going in with my sanding band to get the natural shine from the nails before I go in and apply my nail tips. But before I'm going to do this, because I'm working on myself, I'm going in with some alcohol to clean the surface of the nail, to make it clean, and you know but the alcohol that I'm using is not just a regular normal alcohol, it's our Sunny juice. The one that I'm using in this video is our kiwi flavor. You guys, I love it so much. It's just 70% alcohol, but with a color and a delicious smell, you guys. I just love them all. So I'm just spraying to disinfect, and also because I've cut myself, I think it's important to disinfect and clean that area. So yeah, now I'm going to apply my nail tips. I'm going to apply it on all the nails. And next I'm going in to cut the tips. I always put them side to side to see if they are the same length. And because I always had a tendency to make this hand, so my right hand doing my right hand with my non-dominant hand, so my left hand, I always have a tendency to cut it shorter than the left hand, always, just always. So yeah, now I'm going in with my toe cutter, toe knit. Sorry, you guys, this nail clipper. Let's just call it a nail clipper. I'm just going in with my nail clipper to just get the almond shape just a little bit to make it easier to file. And I'm using my hand file to just shape the almond shape. And I always, or most of the time, I do almond shape on my nails because I think it's easier to shape on myself, because when you have to do a straight nail like a square or a coffin nail, I don't know, I just think it's never straight and it's irritating me. So the almond nail is always a good to go for me when I'm doing my own nails. So you see me struggling here filing the nails, and in between I'm filing them, I'm also measuring them to see if they are the same length as the other hand. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in once again with my sanding band to smooth to blend the nail tips. Now I'm going in with my nail prep to dehydrate the nail plate and to clean it before applying any product. And you can see me just going around with my hand to make sure it's dry. And when it's completely dry, I'm going in with our primer. I'm applying one coat of our primer, and after this coat, I'm going in with our acid-free bonder. It's our super bond. I like that it's acid-free because some people just can react to acid. So that's why we did it acid-free for you guys, and I just love this product, you guys. I will tell you guys later in this video why I just love this product so much. Okay guys, so normally I do my nails or my client's nails in one bead, but when I'm doing it myself, I just struggle, so I make the beads smaller so I can apply them in sections. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it to you guys how I'm struggling. I can't explain how I'm struggling, you just have to see me struggle. I always like to put my hands flat like this so it's easier for me to apply the beads and to manage the acrylic. So this is how the nails look after the application, and when I'm done with the application, I'm going in with my hand file to shape the nails. Normally I always go in with my medium grit bit, um, but you guys, I just can't do that on my own hands, and especially not for the non-dominant hand. So um, yeah, I mean, especially not with the hand with my, oh my god, especially not doing my nails with my non-dominant hand. Yeah, that's the right sentence. So I'm just using my hand file and I'm shaping it and flattening it out with my hand file and getting all these bumps off and to make it even with my hand file. When I'm done doing this, I'm only going in the cuticle area with my tapered bit to make it even to the natural nail. And I'm just using a buffer to get the harsh lines from the filing off. So when I'm going to apply my gel top coat, my painting gel, you will not see all those lines from the filing. I buff it not to it to be shiny, but it for it to be rough enough so the gel will stick and adhere to the nail. So I'm going to in with some alcohol again to clean the nails and to get all the excess stuff from the cuticles area. And this is how the nails look after application, filing and buffing and cleaning. I'm going in with my painting gel number 1. This is the white one. Number 5, the pink one. And our number 6, this is the purple one. Love this color, and I'm just going to mix it to get my desired color. I just want a light pinky purpley lavender kind of color, so I'm just mixing them together. And yeah, I'm just going to mix until I'm satisfied. If I think I need some color more, I'm just going in with that specific color to make the color the desired color that I would like. So you guys, you can also get my colors, my painting gels when my web shop is done, and you can just mix until you're satisfied with your colors. You can make just your own colors mixing these painting gels. Love it, love it. So I'm going to tell you guys why this super bond, I just love it so much. So I'm going to apply it on the nail surface, the surface of the nail, I mean. I'm sorry you guys. So yeah, I'm going to apply it on the surface of the nail before applying my painting gel. You guys, I just love it so much because my nails doesn't chip anymore, and because of the painting gel, because it's so thick, I'm only going in with one coat, so it's covered with one coat, and it adheres so good to the nail. It doesn't run really easily into the cuticle area. Because I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand, I just can't get it clean as I would like, but it's really easy to use on your clients to make designs. And yeah, because of the acid-free super bond, you guys, you don't get any chipping. I just last did a gel polish on my client, and normally I don't like to use gel polish on my client. I always use acrylic, but you guys, the nails didn't even chip. Oh my god, love it. Love this super bond. So you can also use it as a base for your gel polish. Love it, love it, love it so much. And also these painting gels, I just love it because it's so manageable. It's thick. It's when you cure it, it doesn't leave any sticky residue. Love it, you guys. Love it, love it. It's not because it's my products, but any painting gel, it's just perfect to use for any coverage, full nail coverage or any nail design. So yeah, you guys, and now I'm going in with my detailing brush to get the cuticle area clean and sharp. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in under my lamp. I'm curing these nails for 60 seconds. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going in with my glossy top coat to top off all the nails, you guys. And you see me struggling. You just see me struggling. But I think they came out pretty. I just love the color. I love it, love it, love it. And yes, now I'm using our glossy top coat to top off all the nails. I'm going in plus again and cure it for 60 or 90 seconds to make sure. And I will show you guys now the end result. Look at this. So clean, so classy, so simple. Love it. I love the color. I think the color came out pretty. And I still have these nails on, and the gel polish really didn't chip. So I mean the painting gel, so I just love it. It's like 3 weeks now that I filmed this video. I'm so sorry, you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I really hope you have liked it. I really hope you have learned something and enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching but not subscribed yet. Go ahead on the subscribe button, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you are the first one to know when I post it next time, okay? Bye bye you guys. Don't forget to like, share, everything. Alright? Bye bye.